Welcome back, dear friends and supporters. In today's video, we will be looking at fixing the handling for our cars in under a minute with a live demo. The default way of changing the handling is to go to the handling file, change the values, restart the car, and see the changes, which can be time-consuming and sometimes lead to server crashes. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the values and see the changes instantly without restarting the script. Let's dive in and get started. To kick off the integration of this dynamic update into your FiveM server, begin by heading to our GitHub page. We've made this step straightforward for you by placing the link right in the video description for easy access. Upon reaching the page, proceed to download the folder. Once downloaded, unzip the folder and then copy and paste it into the server directory that best fits your configuration. The subsequent step requires a minor adjustment. Simply eliminate the word main from the folder name to guarantee a seamless setup process. The next step is to make sure your FiveM is running on a beta version. Once done, enter the game and open the F8 console, then type Vetabug. A UI with the top speed will pop up. To open the big UI, simply click the left Alt key on your keyboard. This will bring up all the handling meta you need. Now, let's customize this vehicle to our needs. Make sure to check out Zap Hosting, renowned as the top hosting provider for your server needs. They offer a wide variety of products that can be customized to suit your preferences. Don't forget to use my redeem code at checkout to receive a massive 20% discount. You can find the code in the video description. Additionally, there's more exciting news. If we surpass 100 members using Zap through our link, I will host a giveaway for a lifetime Zap server. This is a fantastic opportunity for our community, so make sure not to miss out. To start, let's focus on the braking of the vehicle. The F brake force value should be changed to set the power of braking. For example, if I move it to 8, it means the car will stop instantly when pressing the brake. Conversely, if you set it to 0, the car will have no braking power at all. This braking can also be influenced by the car's weight and drive force. Next, to increase the speed of the car, let's edit the Finishal Drive Max Flat Vel. I am increasing it to 500 for this showcase. At the end of the video, you will find a challenge I'm putting up for this feature. Next, let's look at F-drive inertia, which determines how fast an engine will rev. Larger values mean maximum engine speed. Adjusting this value allows you to control the responsiveness and acceleration of the vehicle. Now, Froll center height. Front and Froll center height rear manage the vehicle's turning bump. If you set the value too high, when you turn the car to the right or left, you may notice that the car is about to roll or flip to one side. The correct value for this will be somewhere between 0.2 and 0.4, as these values change based on the car's size and model. You can also adjust F-mass to add more weight to the car. Once you're done with your customization, simply open the UI and copy the handling settings. All the adjustments you've made will be saved to the clipboard. Next, open the car folder you're editing and find the handling file for the car. Look for the F-mass value and, at the end, look for the monetary value section. Select this section and paste the copied snippet, which will instantly replace the old code with the new settings we just tested in-game. This method eliminates the need to restart the script every time you make a change, saving you precious time. Make sure to save the files, and these changes will apply to all the cars in the server. Now for the challenge I mentioned earlier. With the best settings and your initial drive max flat vel set to 1000, drive on the highway at the maximum speed you can reach. As you can see, my top speed is 499 or 309 as shown on the UI. Record a video with your settings and top speed and post it in our Discord under the script share section for this video. The person with the highest valid top speed will get a free animated car pack next month. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful for quickly fixing and customizing the handling of your cars in FiveM. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm happy to announce that Coden has welcomed over 2,500 members, making it one of the biggest hubs for FiveM server developers and owners. Currently, we invite 100 new members every day. Our experienced developers and support team provide free assistance to all members who are struggling to set up their servers. All my videos with alert systems are included in the Discord, along with unique client codes and Discord server templates. A big shout out to my support team for their patience and around-the-clock dedication in providing free support. So why wait? Join our Discord and learn FiveM development together.